got some of the ingredients that I use. As you can see, pumpkin and a bit of seasoning. There's ackee, my Jamaican ackee, onion, sweet pepper, garlic, or bell pepper, some people say, scallion, just some of the ingredients. I fried some plantains, which I started to eat before my food was ready, so my belly was full when I got my plate of food. And before all of that, I had a little something, a bit of snack, as you can see. Then here is when I put all the ingredients together. It's got the seasoning, cooking the pumpkin. And then I put the rice and tasted it, and it was delicious. And the rice wasn't even fully cooked, but it was already yummy. It made me dance and laugh. Then here comes when I was steaming the rice a bit more, and look how it looked nice. There's saltfish in there. There's the ackee. This is a one-pot dish. Coconut as well. I didn't have coconut, show you the coconut in the ingredients, but coconut milk is in there. And here is my plate. Not a lot because my belly was already full from picking up the plantain before. And I love avocado. It's beautiful. Yummy.